Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to disable comments on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, to disable comments, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once the profile page opens up on the screen, scroll down to your feed and open the Reels section. Now select a reel to disable comments. Once you select the reels, tap on the three vertical dots on the right side and from this menu, open the manage option. In this new menu, you will find turn off comment. Tap on it and there you go. On the right side, you can see the comment option has disappeared. If you want to enable comments again, go to the manage menu again and turn on comments. And that's it. This is how you can disable comments on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.